your girl Nazari Armani and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be installing this curly hair that I've received from WestKiss hair. This is their curly HD lace. Like, get into it. And y'all already know I haven't even been doing hair reviews in a long time, and I just came back and just slayed this wig, okay? This is a 13x4 frontal wig. It is 22 inches, I believe, but in my opinion, it's pretty long for 22 inches. I kind of wanted it to be like up here, but I mean, it's fine. I think it came out real cute. The curls are freaking popping. They're so beautiful. They're soft. They don't really get tangled. Well, actually, it was getting tangled a little bit. I was kind of worried, but you'll see throughout the video. As soon as I put water on it, the curls just reverted, and the brush just went straight through. So, you guys want to see how I installed this wig and got this look, then just keep on watching. Hey y'all, your girl is back. Did y'all miss me? Because I missed y'all so much. But in today's video, like I stated, we're going to be applying this wig that I received from WestKiss hair. One of the best, okay? I showed you guys what I received in my package. So now let's get straight to it. I already did my ball cap off camera, so right now, as you see, I'm putting on my lace glue, and you already know I use the Erica J lace glue, and I'm going to be using 3 layers. Nancy. Now, once that lace glue is completely dry, I'm going to go ahead and lay my lace in it. And even though this lace is HD lace, I did go ahead and put a little bit of makeup on the lace just so it can, like, you know, blend with my skin and just be, you know, seamless. So yeah, I'm just pressing the lace into the glue. Y'all make sure y'all really press it in and get it all in the glue so it can like really stick and, you know, adhere properly. And after that, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my elastic band. I love this elastic band, y'all. I already cut my lace off camera, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take out some baby hairs. At first, I didn't know what style I was doing, honestly, but as I started taking the baby hairs out, I was like, okay, I think I'm about to do this little half up, half down style that I always wanted to do. So right here, you see me parting out the hair that's gonna be up in the ponytail, and I'm gonna clip that out the way and then get the rest of the hair together. Taking my, you know, a wax stick on the hair and pressing it out real good so it could be like really flat and seamless. Y'all, I really took my time with this install. I actually was about to catch a flight the next morning, so I just really rushed and did my hair. By the time I was done, it was time for me to get ready and go out for my flight. But girl, we got this hair together, okay? You see me going ahead and hot combing it right now, and I use the, what is it, Kendra's Boutique, girl. The Kendra's Boutique hot comb. That really is the truth. And okay, as y'all see, I took my baby hairs down. And this might look like a lot of baby hairs, but for this look, you need to really have that much. If you want to have that swoop, y'all know that little swoop. Yeah, y'all gonna need that much to take out. And then go ahead and hot comb the rest of your hair back. And then I'm gonna go ahead and hot comb the hairs for the baby hairs down just so they can lay flat. Also, I'm gonna be tweezing them as well because, you know, I don't want my baby hairs to be too thick. So you're gonna go ahead and tweeze them so you can get them right and they ain't gonna be looking all thick and stuff. Nancy. So while we're going to go ahead and let the baby hairs get flat and stuff, I'm going to go ahead and get this ponytail together. So I'm just parting out my hair where we're going to put the hair that's going to be in the ponytail and pressing all the other hair out my way. Y'all, let me tell y'all, this was the hardest part, was putting this hair in this ponytail, because I'm such a perfectionist. If it's not looking flat and right, I'm going to take it out. So it was pretty hard. So if y'all don't get it right the first time, please do not be mad, because it took me like 7 times to get this ponytail. Y'all about to see me get frustrated like right now. But I finally got it and ended up coming out so cute. So girl, it was okay. But after you put the ponytail in, you pretty much just gonna go ahead and wet your hair so the curls can get back popping. I wet the hair with water, and then I put a little mousse in it as well. And y'all, don't forget to take out a piece of hair from the back and wrap it around your rubber band. Also spray it with some spray. I use the Ebon, I think that's what it's called, spray, the black one. And I sprayed it on the hair, and I just kept wrapping it around. It actually just makes your ponytail like look high up, and it just gives it that salon like sleek look. So don't forget this step. So this is where I said I was a little bit nervous, because as you see, this hair gets very, very big. And it's curly hair. So the ends was kind of getting tangled a little bit just because it was like dry. But girl, as soon as I put this water on it, as you see, it's just water. And I'm just literally running my fingers right through the hair. The curls just was so pretty. It just was popping. And look at me just running this brush through it, and look at the ends. Like, this hair curls all the way to the ends, period. Do not play with WestKiss, y'all. Like, this hair was so beautiful. Like, I did 4 different styles on my trip, no lie, like with this one wig. I have made a TikTok too, so I'm gonna put my TikTok so y'all can see the different styles that I did with this wig. But I really love this hair. Like, this curl was just popping, and this is just water. I didn't put any mousse or nothing on it yet, like, period. I was so happy. So now we're going to come back to the baby hairs, and I'm just taking my razor comb and cutting them at an angle, and then I'm going to curl them with my little flat irons. Some people curl them up. I curl them up sometimes. I curl them down sometimes. Girl, I really don't think it matters. It's still going to do what it do, long as you curl it. But I did end up molding my hair. I was trying to mold the baby hairs down with spray, but I don't know why that never works for me. So I actually ended up molding them down with some Eco Styler gel, and it really did a good job. Like, it really lasted. It wasn't crunchy. It wasn't hard. Like, I think that's about to be my go-to for baby hairs. But y'all let me know in the comments down below what works best for y'all when y'all like molding y'all baby hairs, because I'm still trying to figure out what products really work best for me. But yeah, this Eco Styler gel, like, as you can see, look, it's just really laying it down so good, and it's just looking bomb, period. But after this, it's going to be pretty much the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed my comeback, okay? Because I am back better than ever. I'm ready to put this content out for you guys. Let me know in the comments below any other hairstyles you guys want to see, because I'm about to start just doing hairstyles. Like, I want to do hairstyles, switch it up. So let me know in the comments below any other hairstyles you guys would like to see. I love you all like always. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Yancy, 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 Yancy.